morning sis! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since nag-last upload tayo. Medyo na busy lang sa kung anong anik-anik sa live. Alam mo na. Tapos medyo maraming pending na hindi na na-upload. So anyways, ngayon andito tayo, mag-cherry picking tayo dito sa Palmdale. Kasama ko yung mom ko at saka yung sister ko. Okay? Tara!
$6.50 a pound, like I said. Today we're going to grab a bucket halfway up the hill. There's an arrow halfway up and you'll take a left. All right? Okay. All right, thanks for coming.
Okay, ito yung rules ng orchard. Actually, sinabi na nila yung kanina. Yan. Natandaan. Do not eat cherries in the orchard. Yan. Bawal daw.
Gotta have it. Hydrate.
Dito babayad. Pay first.
Magkaon na yan.
Oh, okay. Ano sila ya? Naka Girl Scout sila ya.
There we go. Keep them.
Popo?
Oh, mommy.
No? Popo?
Tingnan nyo guys, ang dami. Pero maliliit siya. Sabi ng na nagbabantay doon. Tingnan nyo sila ate. Oh, tingnan nyo ang dami nilang binili.
Gusto nyo ito, gamitin yung bunting ko. Inyo na. Okay na ako. Okay lang? Oo, okay lang.
Ay,
Ano, may iba?
salamat ate.
Okay,
Thank you, thank you. Ang bait niya. Ito, tulad nito. Sabi dun ng guys sa gate, pag ito daw yung cherries, yung tree daw, marami. Ganyan. Maraming bunga. Tingnan nyo. Maraming bunga siya. Dahil yan maliliit siya. Maliliit yung cherries dyan. Yan. Kaya marami siyang bunga. Pero, pag konti lang daw yung bunga, ibig sabihin, malalaki yung cherries. Malalaki yung trivia lang yun guys ha. Okay. Yan, kasama ko yung mom ko at saka yung kapatid ko.
Should you guys go turn here, or you guys go all the way to the white flag and turn left? But either way, you guys should go to the very back of the field because where all the good cherries.
What kind of cherries?
These are the beans, and then somewhere in the inside, it's supposed to be Rainier.
Okay.
So you either can go that way or that way, but you guys go to the very back.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Do you want to go that way or do you want to go this way, bud?
Okay, we go this way cause yan, yan.
Let's go all the way to the back because the
Yeah.
cherries are at the very end. This side.
Yes. Hi. Sa kanila, dito na lang sila. Hindi na sila pumunta dun sa looban.
Excuse me. There we go. Thank you.
The good share is at the back. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. Ang dami yung. Tingnan nyo. Parang nasa Cherryland ka. Yung mamo, tingnan nyo. Alam niyo guys, bawal daw kumain. Pero may mga ibang tao dito na kumakain na. Hindi na makaantay siguro. Kaya kumain na lang. This is the reindeer. Grabe init. Ito lang yung reindeer. Yan, yung reindeer. Itong balitig siya katamis siya. Ito na siya. Tingnan niya.
Oh yeah. This is the yellow ones that you like.
I haven't tagged them, so I'm just having them just on diversity of the crab.
Okay. Are you guys ready?
Just grab the corner, that way spin a little more.
Yeah.
Grab the corner.
Come on, shake the dandruff out of this.
Okay, so you told me to stop.
Yeah.
When you see it. Okay. You guys gonna just the corner, please. There you go. Corner on me. This right here.
Bella. We're gonna get the one to the top.
To your right a little bit, Bella.
No, the corner, Bella. Corner.
Right there, the corner, just the corner.
Just the corner. Don't. Never mind. Just the corner. Yeah.
Go there.
Go over
Go
there.
over there. Pull it tight because it's gonna be heavy. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2.
Pull this way real quick.
Okay, I got it. I got you. Okay.
Okay.
Shake it.
All right.
Wag ganito.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay.
That's good?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Those dandruff.
All right, that's,
Yeah.
that's all really good.
All the dandruff came down.
These are the good ones.
That is the best.
Those are the good ones, huh?
Those are
Only the good ones fall down. The bad ones stay up there.
No, no.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
We done. You have a full case. Let me eat $10 worth and then we'll go to the front.
That's how I do it.
You guys are good?
Easier.
Yeah, they're perfect, huh?
Get that San Pedro stick right there.
You can try one of those. Those are sweeters. Those are the sweeters.
Sweet. Let me see.
Let me see.
Can we try?
Yeah? Let me borrow your stick. I'm going to charge $5 per person to shake that.
If you take the stick, they're gonna take over there more money.
Ay, nagtaon sila gani mami sa harap nila. Oh. Te, mami, mapakon ka?
How many pounds? The full one.
Full 10.
65 bucks. Huh? 65 bucks. $65?
Okay. Okay.
Want some or no?
Mami, di na.
This is better.
So,
Okay, let's go.
okay.
Okay, have a good day, guys.
Ito. So, mapik ka eh. Ikaw mapik. Pero ara ko mo sa babaw. Okay, picking na. Kani? Okay. Okay, get this one. Well, actually, you should get this one. Yung mga dark na yung kukunin nyo guys. Kasi ito, mas matamis pa kesa dito. Medyo hindi pa yan matamis. Ayan. Ito muna. Ayan. Konti lang. Ito, sabi niya hindi daw pwedeng butikin pero pinatikman sa amin kanina. Yung mga ganito, medyo maasim pa to.
Okay, your total for this one's gonna come out to $21.65. Okay.
165, okay.
And you can pay up at the window.
Thank you. Picture ang takatuhat na rin. May tanay. Let's pay this first. 21. Yeah. Okay.
How are you?
Any picture.
Cherry blossom honey for you.
Thank you. Just this one. Okay guys, tapos na tayo sa mag-cherry picking. Nandito na tayo ngayon, nakumati na tayo sa bahay. So, sobrang init kanina, as in 97 degrees siya. So, medyo napagod. Mabilis lang yung cherry picking natin. So, before anything else, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys. See ya! To the next vlog.